What's up, guys? We're going to have a little bit of fun here and break down ticker symbol OSTK on Friday, August 9th, 2019. The first hour of the market open, OSTK had a very nice big squeeze from $20.50 all the way up to $25. Nice big long consolidation right here, forming a very long wedge, and then towards the end of the day a push from 24 up to 25, almost 50. Let's take a look at the daily chart real quick. Recently this was in a nice range from $20 down to $17. It failed to break through right there, got that momentum, and finally pushed through that $20 up to $23.50, then retraced, and it got a great mental area bounce right here at $20, and then it failed to get above this $22 level. Now you got to think of it in a shorts point of view as well. This $22 level got denied right here, right here, right here, and right here. And it failed to hold above all right here and right here. You also have this purple line right here, the 300-day moving average, at 22 as well. Shorts are all thinking this is a short at 22. They're also thinking this big run up right here is over with. We're about to be entering into the backside of the move. You got to think of what shorts are thinking. And that's what led to this big, huge explosion right here. The shorts got in over their head. They were wrong. They all had to cover their positions. And this got a nice explosion on this day right here. Let's look at it on different time frames. We'll look at it now on the 30-minute chart. This $20 level, like we were looking at on the daily chart, it was all resistance right here. It finally got over it, came all the way back down to this area right here, $20, and found support. And then when it got this bounce, you see this big candle right here running up to $22.50 and then coming right back down. And since that, this $22 level was acting as big resistance, as it just couldn't get over it. And you could also draw a big, big trend line connecting all the lower highs, just trending its way down, forming a descending wedge if you connect the dots like that. So shorts are seeing this can't get over $22. They keep shorting it and shorting it and shorting it. It's not breaking down. Can't even break below $21. You could see with the lower wick right here and right here. They couldn't get it below 21. Bulls came back in, took it over, brought it right back up. And also, look at all this volume right down in this area right here. Putting the pieces together, volume, looking at different time frames, analyzing the candlesticks. What story is the chart telling you? Now we'll look at this on a 15-minute time frame. You could see the shorts have been trying and just trying to short this multiple times. Right here, when it failed to break through right here, and it grinded all the way up. Right here, when it finally broke this support, all right here, bulls took back over and grinded it all the way right back up. And then recently, right here, with this big explosion up right there. This stock has been in play since the beginning of June. And if we also look at the news that OSTK has recently came out with, they had a Q2 loss of 69 cents per share. And they also got their price target reduced from $40 to $34. But OSTK had a quarterly revenue of $374 million. So it just goes to show you, just because a company puts out bad earnings doesn't mean that the stock has to go down. The stock can do whatever it wants. Never try to predict moves that are going to happen. You always want to try to react to price action and what the chart is telling you. The shorts got in over themselves. OSTK was consolidating. We're looking at the 5-minute chart. All right here, back and forth, right before earnings came out. And earnings came out, stock shot up, and then fell all the way down, and then came all the way right back up. And from that open, it just exploded to the upside. I wanted to break down this chart. I've been talking about OSTK for the past pretty much month. This has been a great stock for day trading and swing trading opportunities, and the rally lives on. And I also wanted to talk about this stock because Friday morning, watching this was just insane. This $5 run up right here. It just kept going and going and going like the Energizer Bunny. It just would not stop. All right here. Rounding top right here. This is normally a bearish signal right here, but it just kept going and going and going. Got another rounding top right there and just kept going and going. Holding above this orange line, which is the VWAP, all day Friday. And then, like I said, it had a very nice long consolidation here, forming just a real big, tight wedge from 2350. I mean, you can even connect the higher lows and the lower highs. And right at around 1:30 p.m., just after lunch, this just took off right here and just grinded all the way up and into the close, just going and going and going. Very nice move here on OSTK. I thought I'd break it down and share it with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?